YouTube friends, coming back at you. I want to show you how you can get the most bang for your buck with many of the Young Living products. Now, if you know anything about Young Living products, you know that they are super duper concentrated, meaning, that's my washing machine, meaning you get a lot of bang for your buck if you dilute it. If you don't, then you're wasting so much product and money that you really don't need to be wasting. So I'm going to talk about first how you can get 3 bottles of foaming hand soap from 1 bottle of the Thieves Foaming Hand Soap. The bottle comes in an 8-ounce bottle. So it's a really nice big size bottle of foaming hand soap. You can either buy a 1 or they come in a 3-pack as well. I happen to buy 3 because I'm giving them out as gifts. So anyone who gets them, pretend you didn't see this video. Or maybe actually do watch it so that you know how to dilute it when you do get it. But this is my personal one. It's actually the last of the dilution, so I'm going to need to get another one for me. But I really do like this Thieves Foaming Hand Soap. I like to use regular soap to wash my hands. My boys like to use the foaming hand soap. Sometimes I use the foaming hand soap. I go back and forth. But I love that it's not filled with all those synthetic fillers and toxic ingredients that are found in other hand soaps. And I find that the foaming, you get a nice little squirt of foam, so you don't waste that much. Great, now I have foaming hand soap on my hands. Oh, I love the smell. But as opposed to like the liquid hand soap that when you pump it, it like squirts everywhere and you lose so much of it. And the really cheap brands that, if you notice, the really cheap super diluted, when you squirt it, it's way too much, and then you're done with the pump and you just spent $1 for nothing because it's barely anything in it. This lasts a really long time. So you can get 3 out of 1. So what you would do is, I'm not going to do it because I already did it, but I'm going to show you what you would do is, when you open it, when you get it for the first time, pour all of its almost all, leave about 1/3, pour all of it into a glass or a plastic jar with a lid, leave about 1/3 of it in there, and then put hot water, warm water, hot water, shake it up, and then you're good to go, and then that's it. And then you save the rest of it for when it runs out. As it starts going down low, pour a little bit more in to where you get to about 1/3, and then fill it up with hot water again, and then you're good to go. If you want to add other essential oils in it, you can. Like peppermint would be nice. Lemon. It already has the Thieves blend of lemon, eucalyptus, clove, cinnamon, and rosemary, and then orange as well. So it's a nice citrusy, fresh scent. So this is mine. I don't know why I always smell these things, but I just love it. See how it's still foamy and sudsy in there? So yeah, it ends up being like it ends up costing around 3 something for 1 when you dilute it and make 3 bottles out of 1. So it's super cost effective. So that's how you get 3 out of 1. Another little tip I want to share with you. My boys love body gels or body wash or shower gels. I can never get the name right. Shower gels for when they take a shower on their little spongy, and then they get all lathered up and they take a shower. I love the Young Living lavender one, especially for nighttime, because it's very relaxing. It's lavender, it's calming, it smells great, and it's not filled with any of those synthetic SLS dyes that are just bad. It's bad for your skin. It's just bad for you in general. So I wish you could smell it. It's just beautiful. It's lavender. I mean, really, the Swiss Army knife of oils. They also do make a citrus fresh and a peppermint, which I find very uplifting for the morning to wake you up. But at nighttime, I need to calm my crazy kids down, so lavender it is. Again, what you want to do with this one is dilute it. So right now I have one of these little mason jars. I think this is 125 milliliters. Is that what it says? I can't read it. It's like the small little one. But I'm going to put majority of it in here, close it up, and then leave about 1/4. Because I can get about 3 bottles, sometimes even 4 out of this. I've seen some recipes where people will mix baking soda to make it even foamier. I may do that. I didn't grab my baking soda, but that's a good idea. Or maybe I won't. And even add other essential oils into it. Peace and calming would be really nice to add in as well, just to help with the relaxation and wind them down. So this is a bath and shower gel. So I'm pretty sure you could put it in your bathtub if you're taking a bath. Mine like to put it on their little washcloth in the shower. So I have already about 8 ounces of hot warm water. You want to use hot warm water because it helps break up the gel. It helps break it up. So that is, oh yeah, that's about half. Yeah, there's still a good amount in there. So I want to get as close to, oh, my cat's kind of getting in the way of my phone. I want to get down to as much. What do you want, Maloney? Can you get out of my way? We're experiencing technical difficulties. Who saw the Giants game the other day? This is just like, Maloney, go. I know, you like the smell of lavender. Go. This is just like the Giants game the other day. A cat on the field. It looks like honey, doesn't it? Look how pretty that is. So as you can see, it's not like artificially dyed or anything like that. It doesn't have like all those bright, super fluorescent dyed chemicals. I'm trying to see. Oh yeah, I still have a lot in there. It's amazing how this 8 ounce has so much. It's very concentrated, the Young Living products. I could probably still go, you know, it would be nice if they made them like clear bottles. That would be even better. I could probably still get a lot more out of it. All right, I think we're getting down to about 1/3. Yeah, I think that should be. Can you see that? No, you can't. All right, I think that should be about 1/3. Yeah, I think that should be. Yep, that should be good. So look at how much I'm going to have saved for when they run out. It looks like honey. So I'll label it shower gel, put it aside, stick it under the sink or something, and then just leave it. Oh God, it smells so good. You know, I probably still could have diluted even more, but guess what? As they go through it, when it gets to about here, I'll just fill it up with some more hot water. Then you pour the water in. It's starting to suds up already. Yep. Oh, yep, there you go. So that's that. And now my boys are ready to take a shower or a bath. Get it nice and really worked up in there. Oh, it smells so good. See it? Comes all the way up to the top with the little foamy lather. But it doesn't make a super amount of bubbles. Right now it does because it's very tight quarters. But if you were to put it in a bathtub, it's not like you're going to bubble up an enormous amount of, because it doesn't have the chemical in it that makes all those bubbles, which is actually not really good for you. It does foam up a little bit because it's a thick consistency and I'm shaking it up with hot water. So when you put it in your bathtub, you're not going to get a super amount of bubbles. Like I said, I've heard recipes where if you add baking soda, that can help make it bubblier. But my boys like to take a shower, so they're just going to put it in their shower cloth and just wash themselves up. So that's how you make about, I would get about, with all this, I'd probably get 3 more bottles. So if I can get 4 bottles out of this one, that's fantastic. So that's how concentrated the Young Living products are. You get a really, really big bang for your buck when you dilute it. You can dilute the laundry soap, the Thieves laundry soap. You can dilute the Thieves concentrated cleaner. You can dilute the Thieves dish soap. You can dilute the Thieves foaming hand soap. You can dilute the shower and bath gel, bath and shower gel. I think I'll get it right this time. You can dilute the Young Living shampoo and conditioner. You can dilute, I think that's a good amount of them. I'm pretty sure there's a few others, but that's pretty awesome. So that's pretty awesome. Great way to get more bang for your buck. And I'm diffusing Christmas spirit right now because 'tis the season. Not yet, but you know, we're getting there. And I just love the smell of it. That's what I wanted to tell you. So that's how you get more bang for your buck. If you have any questions or comments, or if you want to get some other tips, let me know what you want to see and I'll make you a video. Please like and subscribe because this mama would love your support. And check out all the other YouTube videos I've made. All right, guys, peace out.